Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ladies. We are level 3 and this is our project. This is called HSS or House Security System. Nowadays,
there are many culprits who want to enter houses,
Like,
and sometimes also barracks and also
and
So,
knowing now,
knowing that we have the necessity for our protection of our things and stuff,
and beloved.
and sometimes our beloved pictures of ourselves. So we made a security system which is very simple and affordable.
affordable, yes. Knowing
So,
that we're all mariners here, so knowing we are the future millionaires. But no. Yes. Protect our money. Okay.
Alright, we first introduce ourselves. I am Esquera Ricardo.
I'm Canyanis Dragon Crystal.
I'm Binabi Joffrey.
We are the
And you are the F4.
Hello.
Demonstrate na.
So, here's the this is tangtangable. So you can see what's inside.
We have
Tagalog po na Bisaya. Ikaw na rin ikang Bisaya. Tangtangtad.
Tangtangtad.
Oh no.
So, let's go. Abang buhay pa. My
So you mean the house, you need to remove the roof?
this is just a simulation. So if you remove the rope, then you are more prone to conflict. Okay. That sound that means when the LDR receives no light, but when the laser sends the light into the LDR, the buzzer will not trigger the sound. So just like that, when you are asleep,
okay. Now let me explain a technical error because I'm late.
there you go. Ang laki ng laser natin, di ba? There. Go. So, there. And when the cell phone, not the laser anymore, and the security system goes like this. The laser continually, and the light, the laser supposedly, continually sends light into the LDR.
LDR means light detector.
Light
Dependent
dependent resistor, or a photocell. This photocell stops or opens the circuit. You can just throw it. The LDR opens the circuit for the buzzer. That's why there is no current that enters the buzzer. But once here a culprit enters the door without permission, there.
Buzzer will make a sound.
The buzzer will make a sound.
Light bulb the house.
And alarms those who are inside. So the purpose is clearly for our security.
Okay.
Now, for
What about if they pass by the window?
it is also applicable in Windows, sir. But we only use it in the door because of lack of funds. But if you like, yes,
If you like, you can send us money.
but in real life, you can use it in your window, in your doors,
You can make
chimneys, or any part of your
If
house.
you are a billionaire, you should
Or-
put a lot of this in your house and also
Yes.
in your lockers so that money that was given by your mama and papa will not be wasted by the thieves. So thank you.
And for the schematic diagram in this project, we only use simple materials. We use two resistors, which is 100 kilo ohms and 330 ohms, LED, LDR, battery, which is we use this because this project of ours can only handle 15 to 20 volts. So for para average lang, we use 18 volts. And then, so that's how it works. For the LDR, for your information, LDR, if there is a light, then the resistance of the LDR is very high. And if light is black, then resistance will decrease, allowing voltage to flow, letting the buzzer to make a sound, and so as the LED. That's all.
Okay, round of applause.